Welcome to Barb's Crochet Den. So today, well, as you can see, my packages came in. So my last package arrived, and in it, I had this lovely Karen anniversary cake in the color Oyster. This was one of the original ones I wanted because I don't know, the colors are, kind of muted. I thought it'd make a great cardigan. Now looking at all these, I think I'm going to make blankets. Never used a 6-weight yarn before. So we'll see how that works out. I was originally thinking star blankets, but I think I want to make different kinds of blankets because why not? And this was the one I saw that made me want to buy these. I love this color. It's opal. My mom's birthstone color, and I love it. And I was going to make a star blanket out of this one and decided not to. However, one of my kids decided they like it too. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Now, when I saw these on Urban Farm Boys. And this is the one I originally saw that I wanted to get. And he had made a blanket, I think it was last year. He got 2 and said he wished he'd had 3 to make the blanket bigger. Originally, I ordered 2. After seeing that, like maybe I should get 3 because I make big blankets. I like them to be big where you can cocoon yourself in them and get warm. So I've been trying to get these for a month and a half. I finally got what I wanted. So these were the 2 colors I was going to get. Originally, just these 2. I did manage to get 3 of each of these. But then I saw something else that I wanted. I saw this one, Tropical Breeze. And the colors remind me of sweet tarts, especially the blue. They just look sweet tart to me. And, I don't know what happened there, but the colors look like sweet tarts to me. And I love sweet tarts, especially the blue. So that's why I got this one. And I did manage to get 3 in this color as well. Again, it took a long time trying to get them because I would look and they would say out of stock, couldn't get them, not in the store. This was a nice big treasure hunt. Now this next color I got, it's out of my comfort zone, but beach towel. And it looks like the Tropical Breeze, just brighter. Oh, my camera is not doing it justice. So I thought, why not? Because I don't normally do colors like this. And I'm going more towards reds and oranges lately, so probably because of fall. Didn't even think of that. But I got 3 of these as well. Now this last color was definitely the biggest treasure hunt of all. I couldn't find it. My kid was over in an area where I normally don't go. And there was a Michael's there. So I was like, hey, just go look, see if they have this. If they do, let me know. And they did. They told the kid, okay, get me 2 of them. And that was all they had. So they only had 2 of them. But I got the Berry Ripple. Now, on the website, at least the computer or phone I was using, it didn't look all that great. But then again, I saw Urban Farm Boys and he ordered this color and it was beautiful. So I decided to get it, and it was definitely a treasure hunt. And this one and the oyster, I had 2. And then I wanted to get 3 of each. I only had 2. So I went on the Joann's website one day. And it's been a week and there was nothing. You couldn't order it, not in the stores. So I was like, okay, let me just look. It's like 9:10. Let me look and see if it's there. If it is, I'll order it. If not, fine. I'll have 2. That's fine. The blanket won't be as big, but whatever. And they actually had one of each. So I got them. So now I have 3 of each color. I have Opal, Tropical Breeze, Beach Towel, Berry Ripple, and Oyster. And I have 3 of each. Now, that being said, there is one color. I was like, no, I'm not going to get it because I gravitate toward this color all the time. But I've used this color a lot lately. The Green Flash. I was on the fence, back and forth. Do I want it or not? And I decided, no, I'm not going to get it. And now I want it. And it's probably too late. I can't get it. So I'm going to look and see if I can get 3 of them. If I can, okay. If I can't, well, that's on me. I missed it. And actually, that would be a good contrast to this. Like total opposites, on these 2 blankets. However, I'm going to see if I can get 3 Green Flash. If I can't, missed opportunity, right? Other than that, I'm going to put these away because I have work. I have to get ready for work in 1 hour. So I'm going to put these away. I've been weaving in the ends on my other blanket because I just realized today the person I'm giving it to gets back from vacation in like 3 days. I've been weaving in the ends, but I've only been doing it for like half an hour to an hour. So I have tomorrow off. I'll probably work on it and get it finished, put in a nice bag, Yeah, one of those birthday bags or, something like that. I don't know if it'll fit. It's pretty big. It might have to go in a box. But I'm going to get these put away. But I'm so excited, especially that I was able to get 3 of these because this was so hard to find. This one by itself was the most difficult to find. Oyster's a popular color too, and I am actually quite surprised. As many people like Opal, I was actually quite surprised I was able to get it. I've never worked with 6-weight yarn before, and I thought maybe I'd make cardigans out of these, but now I'm thinking maybe not because they're 6-weight, so I don't know how that would work. Definitely like wearing a blanket, I believe. Definitely warm in the winter. Maybe, you never know. So I'm going to get those all put away, and then I'm going to weave in some more ends, probably grab a bite to eat before work, and continue on. However, I am thinking I'm going to do a video pretty soon about stashing down, and I might do that video next week. About how much yarn I have and my plans to use it. I mean, I've already got projects planned. It's just a matter of doing them. So we'll see. That will probably be my next video. At least as of right now, that's the plan. Anyway, if you enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe. Let me know if you got any of these cakes or if you're still looking for them. And let me know which one's your favorite color. And as always, let me know what's on your crochet hook. And until next time, have a nice day.